Hello guys, thank you for stopping by and welcome to another video of the day. So we'll continue with some basic commands before moving forward with other higher level commands, and I hope you will enjoy what I will show to you today, because these are commands that I use myself every day at work. So I will show you what they do and then how I start my day off with Linux. So my first command, normally you have to, when you log into the system, normally you are not always the lone worker using the system. There's so many people and sometimes you don't know what can happen. So you check who I am. Okay, you confirm who you are, and then you check the working directory, and then you probably list where you are to see the files and folder in your system. And let's go to home, and that's one, and then I see the files that are there. You can list with the ls s lsl with the L option, this one, lsl with the A option. So you lose the A option, you see hidden files, ls al to list those files vertically, the AL option. So you see when you use the LSAL, so L it's long and A shows hidden files. So let's clear our terminal. So you can use LS A, it shows hidden files, but we use ls A long, it shows in the vertical manner. So let's clear to state ID, and then ls A long H, it will give them long, but you see more descriptive in the human readable manner. So H means human readable, A show hidden files, and L it's vertical long. So sometimes you can only use double L and then you also see them vertical, or you can use ls minus L T, the time of modification, R in the reverse manner, H in the human readable manner, and E hidden. So it will pull out every day. So this is a beast. So minus LTRHA, it will show you everything. And what commands are important again are this cat command. It's a daily command. You see the content of the file is description. See the inner content of the file. And you can use the bit at names file .txt, and then it's kind of a replacement. It's more like a Word document, the BAT command. Clear. So you can use the ls tra, and then you pipe it into localcat, and then you see it spit out the data in the colorful format. So localcat, it's another utility command that is very important to learn. So you can use ls th, and you pipe into localcat, use the A option, and then you will spit out the data line by line, one line after the other. these common functions. And then let's clear. What do I want to show you guys again? There's this the arc utility language is also a tool in Linux and Bash, and it's a very important tool if you master it. And I'll give you guys a basic. So arc is also a language on its own, so it depends. If you go deep into it, it will become very effective with Bash, and because it also is a combination of Linux command, regular expressions, and it helps in data for data engineers, data scientists, data analysts, somehow system administrators. This is a command. This tool is very important because it's used for data extraction. And then let's see how it is. The arc command, which version do we have here? We have version 5.1. There we see the arc command, the manual, pattern scanning and sorry for language processing, text. So it's a very good tool for data engineers, Linux admins, data scientists. How you want to move files, some data, Hadoop, and then all those stuff. It becomes very handy. You can use info arc and get some information to our back. So there are different ones, G-arc and arc. So we can use arc help. So these are all the options, short options that goes with it. We'll see some of them. It's a very big tool to use. So what can we do with this? Okay, which file do we have here? We have let's see, what do we have in file list dot file list.txt. This is also a very good file to work with. Okay, let's say we want to cut out only this first column. Let's say you have this and a CSV file or any other file, text format. You have to cut out only the first column. Okay, let's see how it works. Sorry. And then we use the arc. The open quotes open, then curly brackets open, print $1. So the first column, so you want only this column, and then curly brackets close, and then you close your quotes. And then what do? You give the file name. Which file are we using? File list.txt. What happened? It takes out only the first column. It functions like a SQL. So let's see. You can do this command, and let's see if you can pipe it into lolcat. Let's see. You can pipe it into lolcat, and then do a command, and then it gives you out line after line. So that's very important to arc. This line of code can save you tons of hours at work. And then let's say we want to, let's see that file again. txt. Let's see, we want column 1 and column 3, for example. Okay, since we wrote that yeah, print column 1 and then comma dollar column 3. So you see it's the same thing. Arc, inverted commas open, curly braces open, print column 1 dollar comma 1 dollar comma 3, curly braces close, and then inverted quote close file, and then you pipe it into low cut, and then you see what happens. So it's giving you column 1 and column 3. You see, column 1 and column 3. Look at what it does here. And then let's say you want only the last column, for example, and then print $NF. So when you want only the last column, you print NF, only NF, and then file is file list.txt. So you see it gives you the last column, just the last column. I love my low cut, so let me give you some color in low cut. So if you want only this last column from this file, this last column, you see with the arc command you can take a whole massive file and then split it into different columns. You know what so for those who have worked with SQL, and then this is it's doing the same thing. You can work around with file, massage data the way you want, cut off part of text, and then rejoin them without any headaches if you just get a master of it. You don't even need many commands, only a couple of them get the job done. And then let's see, there are some let's cd2 etc password or cat etc passwords. So yeah, so these are the passwords. So let's say you need you have a data set like this, and then you want to split it to take just one column. How do you do it? This is how it looks in Linux. This normal. How do you do with it? And then let's see what we can do here with the arc command, the arc tool. Let's say you want just a single column like any other one. You use your arc. They use one of those options, F. Say you want column 1, for example. Let's see how it goes. Of what? etc password, and then see what happens. Look at it, takes out a single column. So if you want column 2, and then this is a very important thing to know in this password file. Just a tip: So this is the normally your password, the encrypted password. It is hidden, not yet encrypted. Yeah, it is hidden, this X. And then when it's encrypted, it looks like a long complex text. So that's just a tip there. So you see, you cut out all the passwords with the add command. And then with the add command too, let's see how you can work in Bash or in Linux. Let's see. Hello Peter. And then let's into arc. This is a very important thing. Quote open, braces open, print. Now let's say we need this Peter. So this is the second column, $2. Sorry, yeah, $2, and then is equals to John. Let's put John in quote. John is here. German keyboard. And then you print dollar, the first one, and then you close your curly braces. So look at what the function does. So normally in Linux, let's see what it does. So it's missing something, and then okay, it's my error. So see here. You see, echo hello Peter. It does say hello John. It does replace. So if you just say normally in hello Peter, what happens? Linux brings a hello Peter. But if you want to replace Peter with John, and then we use the arc tool. So it takes, so $2, it is this second column here, column 1, column 2, and then it should take this column 2 and replace with John. So hello John. I can say, put my name here, Alexan. Hello Alexan. So guys, this is what the arc command can do. So take a look into this tool. There's a couple of stuff on the internet about it, and then you can go deep into the language. It's really going to help you with batch scripting, because the basics, the more you get into the basics of Linux, the better it becomes with your bashes. You will know how to work with bash, and that's very important for system administrator, cloud deployment, everything. You know what I'm talking about. So this is a short video I will drop for you guys today, and then give some comments, watch it, practice, and then I will be dropping out short videos like this with no fluff. And then by the time we'll go gradually to the higher commands. Each day I come out and I will drop something for you like this. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, like, give comments what you want to see, and then we'll drop a video for you. Thank you so much. Ciao.